Hello, today I'm going to try to quickly repair these batteries because at least one of them, because this is fresh from charger and it is absolutely dead. It is very old battery and I'm going to try to open it and have a look inside. And this is 12 volt 1.9 amp hours and it is NICD, and I have to say, don't try this at home because it may catch fire, so I am not responsible for any damage with playing with batteries, so don't do it. Okay, now I'm going to quickly open it, and I know that this battery should not be repaired because this is glued together, so I need to somehow force it open or maybe cut. I don't know, I will see. So, it was easier than I thought, and come on, it doesn't want to go out. Okay, so what is what? It is sticky. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cells. So I will need to keep this like this is and just change cells. Where is temperature sensor? Ah, here it is. Here is temperature sensor, and here is fuse. Yes, probably, I'm not sure, but this looks like fuse. Okay, so now I'm going to disassemble and try to recreate this pack from with these batteries, and I'm going to use old one, and this one I will use for my electronics. So I will need 10 of them. Okay, so it looks like cells are completely dead. There's nothing inside. And it looks like like short circuit or something. I don't know. Basically it's dead. Totally dead. Okay, so as you see, these batteries are much smaller, and what is interesting, I don't know why, but this said that it is 1.9 amp hours. So 1900, and this is 2 and 2.4. So in theory these batteries should have more capacity than this pack. I don't know if this is that old or why they are so why there is such a big size difference, but I don't care. I don't need this drill to last long time, so I'm going to use only these, and these batteries are a little bit bigger, so I'm going to put everything in one level, take this part out and glue it inside into this housing. So now I'm going to just recreate all the connections, including these two, and put it inside the housing. Okay, so this is ready. Temperature sensor. This is for one cell measuring probably fuse or something like this. Yeah, and this is minus, this is plus. I know that core is not matching, but it is my homemade build. And now I need to glue it somehow, probably with hot glue. Yeah, or something like that. Yeah, maybe I should this put inside the battery, so I maybe need to put here. Yeah, I will remake it, put it between the batteries, and that's it. Good, it is working. Okay, so as you can see, it is working. I'm sorry, this is very fast build. I don't have time today to play with this and make it nice and everything. I need to work because I'm going to do some work outside and I will need this drill, or it will help me. So it is very fast build, but as you can see, it is working. This original battery was shorter and this is a little bit longer, so I will not be able to close it. But that's fine, I can just put it like this and wrap it with sellotape. Yeah. So it is not very nice, yeah, I know. Okay, what is this? Okay, this is it. I know it is not nice, but as I said, I don't have time today, so this is it for now. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please consider subscribing to my channel and have a nice day.